Do you want to make your study desk more organized for efficient studying? In the next few minutes, we'll delve into the importance of a well-organized study desk and how it can enhance your study efficiency. We'll explore 10 practical ideas that include decluttering regularly, utilizing desk organizers, prioritizing items, and more. Each idea is designed to provide a tangible solution to common issues we face when trying to keep our study spaces tidy and functional. So, stay tuned to discover these simple yet effective ideas. Firstly, make it a habit to declutter your desk regularly. This action is crucial as it eliminates distractions, making your study space clean and conducive for studying. It's like clearing your mind, but for your workspace. A clean desk helps in maintaining focus and productivity. Secondly, desk organizers are your best friend. They offer a simple yet effective way to sort and keep things in their designated spots, from pens and sticky notes to chargers and books. Desk organizers can drastically reduce the chaos on your desk. Thirdly, prioritize items based on their use. Think about what you reach for most often when you're studying. Keep those items within easy reach. It saves time, reduces distractions, and keeps your focus sharp. This simple trick can make your study sessions more efficient. Fourthly, don't forget your wall space. It's a great place to hang calendars, to-do lists, or even motivational quotes. This not only frees up your desk, but also keeps important reminders and inspiration in your line of sight. Using wall space can free up your desk and keep important things in view. Fifthly, consider digitalizing your documents. By scanning and saving your notes and assignments, you can avoid piles of paper on your desk. It's an efficient way to save space and keep your study area neat. Go paperless to reduce clutter and stay organized. Sixthly, labels can be very helpful. Imagine having a drawer for each category of stationery, each labeled clearly. Not only does this save you time searching for items, but it also keeps your workspace tidy and visually appealing. Labels can make your study desk more organized and user-friendly. Seventhly, don't ignore your cables. They might seem insignificant, but a jumbled mess of wires can disrupt your study flow. Enter the hero of the day, cable organizers. Simple and efficient, they'll untangle your workspace woes. Cable organizers can help maintain a neat and tidy look. Eighthly, keep a trash bin nearby. It's a simple yet effective way to manage waste instantly. Whether it's a crumpled sheet of paper or an empty snack wrapper, tossing it right away keeps your study space clean and clutter-free. A nearby trash bin can help maintain cleanliness. Ninthly, a whiteboard or corkboard can be very useful. These tools serve as visual reminders for tasks, assignments, or even brainstorming ideas. Jot down your thoughts, pin up important documents, and create a visible schedule. This can help keep track of tasks and deadlines. Lastly, establish a regular cleaning routine. A clean desk is a productive desk. Regularly tidying up keeps clutter at bay and helps you focus on your studies. It's like a fresh start every time you sit down. A clean study area promotes a productive study environment. So there you have it, 10 practical ideas to keep your study desk organized. From decluttering regularly and utilizing desk organizers, to prioritizing items, using wall space, digitalizing documents, labeling everything, using cable organizers, keeping a trash bin nearby, using a whiteboard or corkboard, and establishing a regular cleaning routine. Try these out and see how they transform your study space. Share your experiences and any other tips you might have. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Happy studying!